Critical thinking will be gone by 2040. This is what I think. And you can look at the sign, it's right in front of your faces. You ever see like people use like AI, ChatGPT, DeepSeek, Gemini, all the other rest? They use it as their not, they don't use it as a tool. They use it as like their brain basically. A perfect example of this is like i- if you're on Twitter, right? Obviously Grok is there. No matter no matter what your algorithm is, whether it's sport, politics, entertainment slash pop culture in general. For example, basketball. What I mean by the whole critical thinking thing. Let's say you see a post. It said Jason Tatum been to two finals. He's won one championship, and out of those two finals, Jaylen Brown won one MVP, one finals MVP. And you'll have, again, some of them are, majority of them are troll, but some people are dead serious. You'll have that one person, not even that one person, multiple people will say, hey, Grok, how many finals MVP Jason Tatum has? Why is why does that need to be asked? Think about it. If you if the post say Jason Tatum's been to two finals, he won one championship. Out of those two finals, Jaylen Brown won one finals MVP. And it's kind of funny, but not funny when you see the troll. But see what I mean about the whole thinking thing, like critical thinking? Like the information is right in front of your faces. He's been to two NBA finals. He won one championship, meaning he lost one. And out of those out of that championship, Jaylen Brown, who's his teammate, that you know, you already know, like, because most likely, not even most likely, they're telling you. They the post told you what happened out of that one championship. But again, that's just like one simple example. Maybe I kind of complicated it a little bit, but okay, if that was a little complicated, something as simple as this. You see, you don't even see, you just like randomly probably watching something or you thinking of something, and let's say you see something that say 2 plus 2 is 4, right? 2 plus 2 is 4, right? And you're thinking to your head, that's if you're thinking at all. Let's say someone asks you, hey, if 2 plus 2 is 4, what's 2 minus 4? And most, hey, I'm just saying, like, because the way most people are using AI, some people will, if that's like on Twitter or X, most people will probably like, not most people, I keep saying most people, some people will like, hey, Grok, what's the answer? Yes, I get it. Some of them are just troll. But like I said, some people are dead serious with that. And the thing with like, and it's the same thing like whenever something's like new, like people are adapting to it, but hey, you might adapt to it the wrong way. It's the same thing with how with social media in general, right? The more I'll say the more years that has passed that social media has been a thing, the more people are not social, not like they can be awkward at times, or they can just be straight up like kind of like they think social media is real, so they start acting like for example, they might say something crazy on social media to someone they don't even know, but in real life, because they, you know, social media has convinced them that, oh, it's, you can do whatever you want, and then you end up saying the wrong thing to the wrong person, and then life life changing stuff can happen. Life changing stuff can happen, man. But with the whole critical thinking with AI, like I said, people are going, not even going to, they're already starting to use ChatGPT as their brain. They don't use it as a tool. What I mean by they use it as their brain is like they'll hear a whole bunch of information, right? If they actually analyze the information themselves without ChatGPT, they already have the answer. But they'll ask ChatGPT, hey, what do you think of this? Feeding ChatGPT all that information, right? And ChatGPT will tell them whatever, and that's what they believe now. You know what I'm saying? Like they don't think for themselves. So like even if they even if they had already one viewpoint because ChatGPT said it, that's what they're going with. So they don't trust themselves anymore. They don't trust what's going on up there anymore. And again, all these tools, ChatGPT, Grok, DeepSeek, uh, Gemini, all the other ones, they're good tools if you use them properly. They're tools. They're not your brain. They're not for example, with the whole image thing, like some artists is like one thing, like I'm pretty sure, like I keep saying like, but some of the images, if you ask Grok or ChatGPT, whichever one you use, they can't be as creative as most like artists that are actually good, you know? This is what I think. I think like with ChatGPT, any of them that create images, they can't really create something that hasn't been created already. You know what I mean? Like that hasn't been like already out there in a way. That would be hard to explain. Basically, like you can be like, "Hey, ChatGPT, show me an image with two TVs." Is random. Two TV, but one is playing music. Yeah, I know this is random, and the other one is speaking, basically like talking like a human. Yeah, that you might say, "Oh, that's original," but most likely, like some artists already created that to where it has give the TV like a mouth to talk. Basically, I know it's random. It's random, and we're in 2025, man. So, and I say 2040 because I want it to be like I want it to be like 40 at zero, whatever. But I honestly think it will be even way sooner than that. Way sooner than that. It won't be after the 15 years pass. It won't be that. It could be 5 years from now. Cause some people are already using it as their second brain. I said second brain. If you're using it as your second brain, that would actually kind of be like not the same as what I'm trying to say. Like all I'm trying to say is like people don't use it as this, they use it as their brain. They stop thinking. They start thinking. And the sad thing is the more time passes by, the more where people will just be plugged in. When I, well, not literally, but like plugged in within whatever the most popular, for example, the most popular in terms like depending on what generation you are, the most popular social media you use is how you're gonna act kind of like in real life, basically what I mean. For example, like people who use TikTok as their main source of entertainment, or I know some people use it to learn, but yeah, they their attention span is like what, 2 second. And people who use Instagram as their like they main source of social media, like their perspective on life is like it's all backward, man. They see themselves through those filters, basically. They see themselves through those filters and smoke and mirrors, and they see others people when they look at other people's uh basically lifestyle. They try to see those people through those filter or through the good times and thinking like, oh man, this person is living life. But deep down, this person could be depressed, be in despair, and just like showing you what they want you to show you. You know what I mean? Like, even with Instagram, like, most people are already believing what they see tend to be true, but most likely it's not. Now, can you imagine a chat box that everybody, like ChatGPT and Grok, that has the title of AI, artificial intelligent. They just look at the intelligent part. You know what I'm saying? Like the intelligent part. As soon as they hear intelligent, oh, it has all the answer. I don't need to think for myself anymore. I don't need to do my proper uh nah, I can't think. The proper research before you say, okay, well, we use ChatGPT to research. Sure. But don't just know how to feed it the proper prompt. Don't be like, hey girl, what should I think about this? Hey, ChatGPT, like I said, I'm gonna give you another simple math uh problem. Uh, Again, these are like a little bit of exaggeration, but let's face it, worse might already happened, and within Twitter/X or ChatGPT or whatever, you might see a post, hey, two plus, I don't know, 2 plus 5 is 7. And you'll have some people, again, might be trolls, but you know some of them are dead serious. Hey Grok, if 2 plus 5 is 7, what's 5 plus 2? You might be like, nobody do that. You might say like nobody do that. You might say that. But deep down, you know people do that. Like the video, man. Like the video. Hell, subscribe for more thoughts.